Hello, beautiful souls. Today I am inviting you on a journey into the heart of Sufi wisdom. You see, Sufism is often described as the mystical dimension of Islam. It's a path that focuses on the inward search for God and the ultimate truth. Sufi teachings are not just about rituals or dogmas. They're about transforming your heart, your soul, and your entire being. The essence of Sufism is love. Not the kind of love you find in romance novels. It's divine love. And a love that seeks to dissolve the ego and become one with the Creator. It's about realizing that we are all interconnected. That every soul you meet is a reflection of the divine. One of the most beautiful aspects of Sufi teachings is their poetry. Think of Rumi, Hafiz, and Atta. These poets use words to convey the deepest truths of existence. Rumi once said, "You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop." Isn't that profound? Sufi practices are designed to bring you closer to this divine truth. One such practice is dhikr. It's a form of meditation where you repeat the names of God. This repetition helps purify the heart and mind. It's like tuning a radio to the frequency of the divine. Then there's the Sufi whirling, or sama, made famous by the whirling dervishes of Turkey. This dance is not just a performance, it's a form of moving meditation. The spinning symbolizes the planets orbiting the sun. It's about aligning yourself with the cosmic rhythm. Sufi teachings also stress the importance of a spiritual guide, or murshid. This guide is like a lighthouse. They help you navigate the turbulent waters of your spiritual journey. They offer wisdom, support, and sometimes a bit of tough love. But the most important lesson Sufism teaches is to look within. The external world is just a mirror. The real journey is inward. It's about discovering the divine within yourself. Realizing that the kingdom of heaven is not out there, it's within you. In a world that often feels chaotic and fragmented, Sufi wisdom offers a path to inner peace and unity. It teaches us to be present, to be loving, and to see the divine in everything and everyone. So if you are a seeker of truth, a wanderer on the path of love, Sufi teachings might just be the treasure you are looking for. Thank you for joining me on this spiritual voyage. May your heart be filled with light and your soul with peace. Until next time, keep seeking, keep loving, and keep shining. Stay blessed, my friends.